See, I simply send this email. Now I can automatically get replied. So I set up this automation that can automatically help you to handle your email support. You can automate your email by this automation. So I can show you the backend of this email. So it can grab data from webhook and grab an email and send to us again. So this is the backend of this email. So I built, so getting a reply. Here you can see, hello, thanks for reaching out. Could you provide more detail about the issues with Sleeper so I can assist you better? You can see that I successfully got a reply. You can see that. Let's show you. This is for testing I built. Let's guide you how can I do that. So it is sent with different mail. And now, so I can set up with this emails. So I set up that reply with that email. You can also reply with your same email. So configuring the email is little tricky. I make another video for that. So first of all, we need webhook for that. The webhook called custom mail webhook. So click on a webhook and click on a custom mail webhook. Click on that. I can simply provide the workflow link on in the description from Gumroad. You can download that. Click on add. Let's build in this new tab so you can't get any confusion or any error. So I click on scenario and I simply open this in a new tab. Here you can see I simply open this in a new tab. Now I need to write a reply of this message by doing the automation. So this is opening now. We need to wait some patient it. So to get an email, click on create a new scenario on that. So let's write it. So I simply rename it called email reply automation. Click on the plus button and go to the webhook and click on a custom mail webhook. Click on that. Click on a create a webhook and just rename anything and just copy the address. Then we go to our Gmail. Which Gmail do you want to automate? So I use this. Here I can automate already. When you open your Gmail, you simply need to click on setting bottom. Here simply click on that. So this pop-up will feel like click on this setting, click on see all setting and go to forwarding, and here you can see click on add forward address. Simply paste it. For you also need to click on save and click on run this module only. So it is running and click on next, and we need to authorize our account. So let's verify it. I think I am not getting any verification link, so I click on more ways to verify. click on that, and I simply go with this. So I do it my mobile phone. I simply open my Gmail and click on manage. Then I go to security setting, and where I can get security code, and I simply write it here: 5121506. I simply click on enter. You can see that. Okay, now it is correct. Here you can see I can successfully verify that, and click on proceed. Now we got a email verification on our Gmail. Click on OK. You can see I think it is stop now. Click on run this module only. Let's use exiting data. So click on the sender, auto text, and here is the confirmation link from Google to set up an webhook. Simply copy that and open in a new tab. I simply click on enter. Click on a confirm. Now it is successfully confirmed. Now go to the our tab. Simply cross this, and go to filter and block. Click on create a new filter, and we can filter with, you can do this or don't do this. So when I want to simply set up, it doesn't reply every email. Let's fix your filter are forwarding some of email. Click on review setting. The following email address are blocked. Message from this address will appear in spam. So one is I simply add 2. That is okay. Go to here, go to filter, and we create a new filter. Click on create a new filter, and when the subject line called new inquiry, then it only send to email. If yes, then it then set to our webhook. If it isn't in our subject line, so it can't send to our webhook. So we can create that. Click on, we don't need to create on search. So click on a setting, see all setting, filter and block. Click on a create a new filter. If the subject line called new inquiry, then click on a create a filter. Click on a forward to, and we simply need to choose our address. Choose that, and then click on create a filter bottom. You can see, so you also, when you click that, you also get a verification link. I think I use my old one. I already verified that. So if you are not getting that, you simply refresh page, so you get both of them. You simply need to provide a security code or verify with your phone. Now move to the next part. It only work when our subject line called new inquiry. So let's on it one time. Let's send email to this address. Click on the compass and go to 6 link pin. I think this is the mail, and simply called subject line called with new inquiry. I don't want to reply every email with customer support, something like new inquiry. Yep. Click on yep issues, something like, and click on the send. Now you can see that you simply need to run it to get an output. Click on run this module only, and now you can see that the output. I think I need to send again. I have also got an reply. You can see I got a reply on that email. Click on the compose. I want to reply as this webhook also. Oh no, this doesn't get any reply. We need to set up again. Go to filter and setting. Click on create a new filter. Subject line called, or when called, it's called light, like query. Then it only reply. So this for new inquiry, this is only for query. And click on create filter and click on forward it, and we need to choose our address. Which one I don't know. Let's pause this and see the address. So the address is 4. I started with 4. It's like that. Click on a 4 and click on a create filter. Click on continue. Now we need to again verify it. So now it is working now. I think I am not getting that any of this in my mobile phone. I don't know. I simply use security code. Let's paste the code, and I simply write my code. Click on next. And now you can see it is successfully created. So it can successfully create a query. I simply copy this and send with my email, and the subject, let's send with 6 link pin this email, and subject will be start with query and app, and simply write fix your app, and simply go here, click on cancel, click on run this module only, go here, click on send. Now we got a respond in our webhook, so we can move to the next step. As you can see, we can successfully set up the webhook. You can see we got the fix your app, and this is subject, and this is the body of the email. Click on the plus button. Now use Perplexity or ChatGPT to respond your email. If you use Perplexity, so it can access the internet or your data also. And let's go with this, and go with the GPT 4.1 nano. If you use any model, this is for only reply, and this is the token limit. Let's with 200. That was max. Click on add message. Role will be user, and you simply need to write a prompt of how this email will reply. You can add a knowledge base also, like URL. I simply write reply this email output only be email content body, and you can say that reply this email output only be email content body, and I simply drag our this is the email address, this is the sender name, and this is the subject, and this is the body of our email, and click on a save. Now click on a plus button and we use email to send. We also send with Gmail or our business email with SMTP, but connecting Microsoft is easy, so I can show you with click on a send a new email. So sending with Microsoft email, it is easy. Simply click on add and authorize it. When you connect with Gmail, it required I think this one. Click on show advanced setting, and it required client ID and client secret. In next video, or I already made a video, I think, I don't know, you can check out with the connection of Gmail in mac.com. So I continue with this. Click on to recipient will be this one. So this is the recipient. We simply drag it here, so it can send the reply with there, and subject I simply write subject will be reply. Simply I write reply, and the content go to plain text and drag it here, and simply save it. Just save it. Click on here, click on immediately, and just save it, and just save it. Now it is running in the backend. Now go to our this email, I think, yes. Let's try to send with this one. We can also send with any of your mail. After this video I can post this. I don't want to block my spam with my Gmail, so I send with this one, and I start with, I think spell is correct, I don't know. Simply copy this query fix my laptop. I don't know what thing happened with my laptop. I don't know what thing happened with my laptop. We can write anything, just it doesn't work, and just send it. Now we got our reply with I send. You can see I simply connect with Microsoft email, so we reply with Microsoft email. I think we got any reply. The time will be 1:14. Let's refresh it, see if we got any reply. I think we didn't get any reply. Let's wait it. Just we got any reply, and this is the email that I use. I am sorry for hearing that. This is the reply. If you use knowledge base in the mac.com, so it can grab and provide the best result with the user. Okay, bye. We meet on next video. Okay, bye.